So welcome to the new van. We are very excited about this. This is a Dodge Ram ProMaster. It is a Thor Sequence. It is a really cool layout and I'm super excited about this. It has a really nice, bright floor plan, so it's very roomy. So let me show you the inside of the van. This is the living space. It has two separate beds that can be made into one. It has a really great system underneath these beds. If you haven't seen this before, it has these wonderful flexible objects that allow the bed some flexibility. So with the bathroom doors shut, you have lots of wall space, and we have areas here for two tables that you can put in between, which will make a really great workstation. Lots of windows, love the pull down shades, a flexible TV that goes all the way around. So when you want to sit down at a workstation, you could sit down here and actually use that TV as a secondary monitor, which would be great. Makes into a nice workstation, and also comes complete with places to plug in your computer. Both chairs swivel around, so you can turn them both around. And in the kitchen, we have a nice little cutting board, which is handy. We have a 2-burner gas stove. Very nice. Can't wait to use that. A nice deep sink. Still winterized, as you can see. A decent little fridge, little lock. A little freezer area. And a microwave convection oven. That's going to be pretty handy. For storage, we have lots of room. We've got a nice big headrest up here. Right now I've got my window coverings up there. Also got one right above the driver's seat. I've got tons of things I'm sure I can put in there. And then when you start to look at the cabinets are really nice and deep. So right now they're empty. Oh my gosh, we're gonna fill these up so quickly, I know. We're gonna do a video on organization and what we need and how we're gonna do that. I've already started to look for different boxes that fit. We're gonna be looking at that. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 deep storage. And I've got 2 above the kitchen that are just a slightly bit shallower, but not much, probably by like an inch. I love that look on these cabinets. They're wonderful. Now if I go around back to the side, I open this one, I have a lot of mechanical, electrical in here. So this is where I have my wine guard, my cable TV, my lovely Truma hot water system, my HDMI, and more USB. There's tons and tons of outlets in this, which is very helpful. So if you want to plug in your computer, your laptop, any kind of camera, can definitely be charged. One of the coolest things about the Thor Sequence is this touchpad that also can connect to your phone. It has everything here on your home screen, your tanks, your lights, your water. All your lights are on a switch where you can turn them off like with the touch of a button. There you go. Take a look at your electricity and your fuel, and of course all your fans, your kitchen vents. Everything's done right from your home screen. Super simple. Love it. We always talk about safety, so you do have to have that fire extinguisher. Down here we have your shore power on. We also have the information for your solar charging and inverter. And there's my drain outlet when I want to get rid of all of my water. This unit also has a drawer for a pet food dish, which will be very nice. And then of course we have another drawer beside it where we're going to be putting all of Rosie's leads and leashes and bandanas and food. The bathroom is a wet bath. It comes with a lovely shower head up here. You can see me. Hello! There we go. And this is the sink. Very easy, very compact. And this one comes with a black water tank. So this is a regular RV toilet that you have to dump. And then of course, we also have shower curtain. And it did come with these awesome magnetic window covers that I'm gonna probably end up putting some reflex on, or reflectics. And then we have more storage over here. We have a great, nice wardrobe, really nice and deep, and 2 drawers. Also has a really nice door that you can close this. So if you don't want to look at your bathroom all day, that's totally fine. And they're pocket doors and they slide.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. And thanks for being our forever best friend.